Hello and welcome. My name is Lisa. You're watching One Lisa Show. Sorry, the glare from the ring light is hitting my glasses. I gotta back it up. Back it up where I can. Yeah, that glare is just hitting. How's that? How's that? I'm Lisa. This is One Lisa Show, and it's been a long day of work. My chair is squeaking, and my Think Pink box is here, and I just got here, and it's 5 o'clock on Monday, and this has been stuck in customs for like not that long. It's been like 4 days stuck in customs. Let's open it up. I'm a member of the Beyond the Pink Door So Inspired team, and being part of that team, I get this gifted to me. I do pay for shipping, but this is here so I can unbox it with you all. Comes in this lovely pink envelope. We're going to open it up and we're going to see what's inside. I've been really looking forward to this box for a while now, since I saw it shipped and since I saw it hit customs, and then the drama began. We've had some really good boxes lately, and this is Andrea's birthday month at Beyond the Pink Door. And this is the regular subscription box, and her sleeve, you see the pretty, it's a pink box, and then the sleeve has pink confetti and a cake. So I'm hoping this should be a really good box because it is her birthday month, and she traditionally does something really good for it. So I'm gonna rip that off and treat it like it's a birthday present. We're gonna look at it together. Let me put my scissors out of the way. Okay, here we go. What do we got? Ooh, purple paper. Lovely. And this says, what does this say? May. This is a time for confidence. No kidding. For trusting your eye, your hands, and the choices you make. And on the back, it's just lined like a note. And then there's a link to the QR code where you can access the ebook. And the ebook, I talk about it every month. The ebook has, sometimes there's recipes, sometimes there's gardening hints, sometimes there's little like word games, and then there's featured makers, there's a Meet the Subscriber, and there's also a section in the beginning where it talks about the fabric and all the things that are in the box. So you can see if there's other colorways available. It's a lot of fun. We're going to open this up, and I love purple, and we have some items. Now the fabric's below, but this is going to be fun, so let's take a look. I get the 2.5 meter, the classic style box. I don't get the additional larger size box. What do we have? It's a sweet treat. It is popcorn shed birthday cake. So this is vanilla cake, caramel popcorn with sprinkles. Okay, so it feels like it's just caramel corn. Lovely. Gourmet popcorn, all natural ingredients made in Britain. I like that. That'll be fun. Can snack on that tonight. Then we have, we have the Specky Seamstress bias binding. So I got some bias tape from the Specky Seamstress bias binding. And it's got cute little hearts, all different colors. That actually will come in handy. I wonder if there's a clue for the fabric with this. Don't know if there is, but if there is, that's cool because that's very cute. Okay, so that must be a little extra because here's our thread. And I love pink, I love purple, I love blue, I love colors. I love all the colors, so I'm not going to complain. And it's a Gutermann thread, and this is polyester, so it is all polyester, so that tells me it's not a stretch fabric, it's a woven. And then there's an additional in here, and this is a Prim Love. What is this? A chalk wheel! You guys, chalk wheel with toothed wheel. I'm going to tell you, I'm working on something right now. I'm working on a Melio top, and the next video probably will be about the Melio top. I've made a whole bunch of them, but there's bust starts, and this particular one, I'm putting the pockets on, so there's lots of markings to make. And it's not just the Darendelle Melio, but like I genuinely like a top that has bust darts especially a woven top that has bust darts. So you always are going to have to trace. So that startled me. So I'm already opening this up. And you have a chalk wheel and it's a toothed wheel. Oh, it does white, but look at that. Look at that. And I can hear it clicking. Nice, nice. That's great. This is going to come in handy. Like, I will genuinely use this tonight. I'm going to use this tonight. Lovely. I love it. I love the Prim items. So now we're going to see what's in the fabric. I'm trying to move quick because it stormed all day today, so it's overcast outside. I've got the ring light on. I've got the light on in the room. I'm beat down tired because it's Monday, and Mondays are, sorry for doing that in front of you. Mondays are tough days, and especially in real estate, because I've got a lot of things going. I've got a handful of listings and things under contract, things that aren't under contract. I have buyers that want to see homes, so I'm trying to schedule things. But anyway, that's just because it's work and that's my life. Let's see what the fabric is. Also in a purple, and it's got some weight to it, but it doesn't feel like it's a heavy, it doesn't feel like it's a denim. How's that? Doesn't feel like a denim. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Thank you, Andrea. This is, I love a big print, and I know I said it last month. We had a beautiful big print too, and this is a gorgeous big print. It is a woven, and it feels like a viscose. It does feel like a viscose. Okay, there it is. It's lovely. There's some greens, which I think is going to come in super handy for me this month. Greens and purples and pinks, and I really like it. It's almost a chartreuse color, similar to an olive green, a lighter olive green. And then we have all these purples and lilacs, some black flowers. I love the flowers. And then you have these pink ones also. They're kind of, I'm just speaking. I said there's black in the fabric, not black flowers, but you can see the black. Let me get you up close. I love how it has that look like it's got those little hash marks in the print like it's been painted. It's just very pretty. Very pretty. Love a big print and a floral. This should be a fun one. This should be a lot of fun. Okay, I'm going to scan the QR code and look at the ebook, and I'm going to get right back to this. All right, I have just looked at the ebook, and I didn't dive in to see what everybody else is making with it or the suggested patterns. I just went through the first couple of pages and saw that it's 2.5 meters of 100% viscose. And there were 3 different color options in the box this month. This one is called Make It Special. And all 3 of them look fabulous, and they're all very different. I love this. It is a very lightweight, and it's a woven viscose. And just see if it's not sheer by any means. Can't really see through it. But I'll show you the back too. So it's just been printed on. It's really lovely. It's spectacular, honestly. And I am looking forward to what to make with this. 2.5 meters is plenty to work with. Lightweight, we have summer coming, and it's a big print. So I am totally thinking my basics that I always go to, thinking a shirt dress, thinking there's so many options. I'm going to go through and see some of the suggested patterns, and I have been behind on what's new out there. I like the fold line and checking in to see what they suggest for different things, what the newest ones and the most popular ones are. But also Andrea's got some new, I think, atelier jupe patterns that have recently come out. So I'm kind of curious to see what they have with those and if something kind of sparks my interest. I think pants is not for me with this one because it's such a big floral print. I think I'd like to do this probably a shirt dress, maybe a gather dress, something nice and big and flowy for summer. But I'm open. Do you see this and it sparked some creativity in you? And did you get the box and did you get the same print I got. I'm very curious. Tell me what you think in the comments. Let me know what you would make with this, or if you would say I don't like this one at all. I really do like it, but I do know that I'm working on a couple of tops right now, and I'm in full swing for summer sewing, and then in a couple of weeks I'm gonna start thinking about my fall sewing. Yes, already. But Andrea, well done. I love this. Somehow I get matched with the perfect colorway every time. So thank you so much. There will be links in the description box if you are interested in checking out either the Think Pink box or Andrea's website, where you can get fabulous fabrics, great patterns. She'll print digital print patterns for you as well. And she has some fun haberdashery. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. I almost forgot. I hope you do something creative today wherever you are in the world. Thank you. Bye-bye.